Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the chat wallpaper or background in WhatsApp on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp desktop app or go to web.whatsapp.com in your browser and log in by scanning the QR code from your phone. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and click the three-dot menu icon right above your chat list. Then click on Settings. Inside Settings, go ahead and click on Chat Wallpaper. Now you'll see a few options. You can choose a solid color or upload a custom image as your chat background. Let's say you want to upload your own wallpaper. Click on Upload Wallpaper, then browse to your image file and select it. Once it's uploaded, the background will change instantly, and you'll see a live preview in the chat window. If you prefer a simple background, go back and select a solid color from the options provided. And just so you know, this wallpaper only shows up on your side. It doesn't affect what the other person sees. That's it! Now your WhatsApp chats on PC look way more personalized. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Got questions? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.